Zhongtuo Chuanshin color steel tile helps you solve high-temperature problems. Polymer hot bonding process. Anti-corrosive, insulated, and fade-resistant. Cover the metal sheet with film material. Eliminating paint coatings. Thermal insulation cotton for general colored steel tiles. Can only withstand high temperatures through thickness. Too thick will cause load-bearing problems and increase costs. Too thin results in poor performance. We use up to 3 layers of aluminum foil and rubber plastic board technology to form the board in one go. Using Zhongtuo patent tile pressing machine to press and form tiles. Avoiding ordinary tile pressing machines. Make the problem of upwarping at both ends very flat. The thermal energy is absorbed by rubber plastic cotton after 3 refractions. Achieve a sheet thickness of about 4 mm. Achieve insulation effect with a thickness of 10 cm. Cost reduction by nearly half. In the same environment. Different objects have different temperatures. Zhongtuo Chuanshin tile greatly slows down the entry of heat into the workshop. Effectively regulate indoor temperature. Achieving 24-hour relative constant temperature.